Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
A wet and cloudy day across South Florida, and it sounds like this wet weather sticks around for the weekend.
That's terrible, and I don't mean to change the subject, but I just realized Ivan now drives an electric car. Will you still go to the gas station?
I'm still going to go.
To get lotto tickets?
Yeah, they won't remember me there.
He enjoys
it a while with the
on.
EV, but I'll do it for the team. All right, upper 70s right now. It has been cloudy, and the rainfall has been on and off, but right now the sun, well, it's going down, but at least we have some clearing going on. That's not going to be permanent. That's not going to continue. It's waves of clouds and on and off showers continuing. You can see that on our Next Weather radar network. You can see some showers moving from east to west, and then we've got this canopy of clouds and showers that's coming in from southwest to northeast. Even the middle atmosphere will start moistening up for this weekend, so we're going to have to deal with this on and off. Right now, Broward, Miami-Dade looking pretty good as far as the current rainfall, not expecting much. The Keys, though, that's where the rainfall has been a little bit more intense as far as the showers coming down, even some downpours over the last couple of hours, and that's going to continue here as you check in on Next Weather Rain Tracker. That's just persistent rain down here. It is the weekend. We don't want rain at all, but we are now under a drought across South Florida officially from the National Weather Service. That coming out yesterday, so we actually need the rainfall, and this is the kind of rain that is drought busting because it's steady and it's not too heavy, so it doesn't run off. It gets right into the ground. Upper 60s, that's the dew point right now. Anything north of 65, it feels humid out there, right? And the temperatures are going to remain pretty steady here. Upper 70s during the day and lower 70s at night. The next big change is not going to come in until the new year. And in fact, a couple of days after that, we may get finally some cool air in here. Watch the pattern here. All the blues, you see that is the cold air. It's going to stay north of us. There we are on New Year's Eve. Pretty quiet here. And then by the time we get to January 1st and 2nd, that's when a nice little shot of cool air comes in. How cool? We may have to change the forecast right now. I'm going with the cooler solution of the models here with some 50s coming back into the picture. So that will feel nice after all this humidity. So not a washout for either weekend day. It just, you got to have patience here because it will be on and off showers. I think on Sunday particularly, we may have even some thunderstorms. So that's going to result in some heavier rainfall. Little boundary comes in. That's essentially going to be a trigger point here for additional showers on Monday. But the moisture will not be as prevalent, so it's going to be mostly dry, partly sunny, and then New Year's Eve still looking good with warm temperatures. We're going to get into the upper 70s to lower 80s. The tracker for your Saturday, there you see the on and off rainfall. At times it'll be steadier and heavier down towards the Keys, and see not completely raining every minute here. We will have some breaks, but don't expect too much in the way of sunshine. And then on Sunday, we do have some thunderstorm activity through the afternoon. That's when you see those yellows and reds there. That is the potential for some heavier rainfall on Sunday evening. But I'll put this continuing into motion. See that nice change of flow here north to south? That's going to set up a drier trend beginning on the 31st and continuing through the early part of next year. So again, mostly cloudy tomorrow, on-off showers. That continues into Sunday. We'll throw in the thunderstorms there through the afternoon. Steady temperatures on Next Weather 7-day. You'll see the planner coming up for New Year's Eve. Looks good by midnight, around 70 degrees. Rain chance only at 10% in the afternoon. And then we dry out nicely for early next week. You'll see that big dip in temperature beginning on Friday.